Alright, John, this is a 2000, right? 2002 Mazda Protege automatic. We just took the crankshaft and...
No, you fucked up. Valve cover and...
Well, what is this? The crankshaft? I forgot what that was. Here we go, buddy. Roadie. Now we're gonna go see my charger.
Restart the video.
Oh,
That's horrible.
where do you go?
That was embarrassing.
It's okay, guys. I'm learning. You guys are learning as I learn. Damn. I hope I never see my car like this. Sheesh. We're at the junkyard for about 2 hours, not like an hour and a half. Then went to our favorite burrito place. Got 2 burritos.
I'm gonna start looking like a burrito.
2 burritos, 2 glass cokes, you know, the usual. Go eat and go work on the project car. SR Turbo. All right. Hey, take that music off before I get copyright.
Oh yeah, we can't even put music in.
Well, no, after we're done talking, we can. Cause I'll just put like a time lapse. All right, guys. So we ate that burrito, and now we're gonna work on the car. Let's see the progress. Okay. Tell me what you've done already.
Drain the oil.
Okay.
Took the valve cover off. Spark plugs are out, and then I'm working on the oil pan, which is almost out.
These towels
I don't know. And then after that, we get the oil pan off. We got to throw that on, and then the valve cover. I got a new coil pack. What's all?
2 turbo cars.
So yeah.
All right, let's get working. All right, we're gonna clean the car because this car is dirty. Hasn't been cleaned.
So let's see what we got.
Put my battery right here.
So we got
my phone.
some hand sanitizer.
This is in the car, hand sanitizer.
Some bubble wrap. See papers right here.
Dude, we should just take the seats off to make this a lot easier.
Fuck no, I'm not taking the seats off.
Tires? Should I take the tires off?
Yeah, some papers we don't need.
Tires on.
Buddy threw new tires.
Yeah, he has new tires. I think I told him in the last video. Man, these bags are sticky as fuck.
What else we got there?
Plugs?
Nice little coil. So fucked up. Look at this. Shut. Damn. The fuck? Garbage.
Antifreeze.
Nothing inside. There's
We need
that.
some plates. These are old plates too.
Old plates from the fucking
Paperwork.
What is that? Let's check this out. So this is just
What the fuck is this?
for the battery.
More plate stuff. More plates.
So this right here is probably a cover that we're missing in the car. So we're gonna keep it because we don't know what cover.
Real fruit aroma.
This is all
The
garbage.
fuck?
PCV valve.
Ugh.
That's the car. I don't know.
What is this? Air filter?
Let me see. Oh, the air filter? Oh shit, is it new? Let's find out. It doesn't look fucking new.
It's gonna be dirty as hell.
Yeah,
it's
so
old. Scumbag. Look at this oil. Oh yeah, we bought oil. When we went to go get the car, we didn't have oil, so we went to go buy oil at AutoZone or a dance. I don't know. These are old.
Oil filter.
Oh yeah, we bought that there too.
Yeah, what else is in
Garbage can.
Check under the seat.
Cone. Look at that bucket. God damn, Johnny. Sheesh.
Get the rest of it up.
I was putting my finger in. Hey, there's some change in here. There's a rag. I don't know what that is. Fucking a straw or some sort. There's spark plugs.
Oh shit, is there any in here? All fucked up.
That's something. Alright.
Man, there's a trash can there with a can in there?
Yeah, dude.
Is that it?
Yeah. There's some in the passenger seat though.
That's probably dirty. See what else we got in here? Air freshener, throw that out.
Garbage.
This is a wheel lock, so we need this. How much keep it in here? More garbage.
It's a fucking stamp. Let's see, does it say the year? No.
More garbage. Man, this thing's fucking dirty. What the fuck is that? More garbage. What the fuck is this? Oh, there's a whole part in here, bro.
A what?
What the fuck is this? Fucking caliper?
Yes, it is.
Holy shit. It's probably stuck. What's this? Dude, it has so many fucking... More garbage.
Yeah.
What is this? Yeah, we definitely... We might need this. Nah, we don't. Garbage. More garbage. And then in the glove department. Ooh, owner's manual. Insurance.
You got a vacuum here?
Nah, I don't think so. What is this? 2012.
Damn.
This is a guy right here.
Danny?
No, that's some other guy that going.
Oh, the one that probably got arrested?
2012. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what else in there. Some more paperwork that we don't need. We don't need any of this.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, bro, this is a gasket thing for the turbo. The one that's leaking. Ooh, decent. What is this? Let me see. 875 North Michigan Chestnut. Marker making, liquidity detected.
Oh, man.
I think for the front, that's it. Let's go with the back.
Yeah, all this garbage. Oh, my phone. My battery. Jesus Christ.
Oh shit.
Look at my tools. Oh, glass.
Some bottles that are unknown. What is this? Premium oil filter.
Using them.
It looks new. I think it was might be good.
A fucking net.
But it's polished solder. That's for the car, I bet.
Speakers. Yeah, no, to hold the groceries or something.
Hold on, there's more shit. More garbage.
Do you know it's bad when there's leaves in your trunk?
Dirty as rag. Okay, so this cover is probably for the bottom of the engine bay. It's already kind of cut, so I think it's gonna be garbage. This is for the top of the valve cover. MazdaSpeed. Right there. So this clean it up and then we can still use it. We'll throw it probably back on. This garbage. Floppy disk.
Oh, we saw that last time, right?
Yeah. Then we got fuel injectors. I don't know if these are new.
You just got the trunk. Make it faster.
Then we got this nice little amp box. Ooh, the Kenwood. Target. James. More garbage.
2013?
2013.
Same dude.
Same dude. So,
Take that off.
I'm gonna take this out. We're gonna place it somewhere. We're probably gonna put this bad boy back on. Future. Remote right there. Oh, what is this? Zoom that in. Ooh la la. Yeah. The fuck? Oh shit, hold on.
We'll look at it later.
Hey, I don't know if we can put that in the camera.
Good hella leaves.
Hella nuts in here. Hella.
Dude, how you not have a vacuum?
I do, but I don't know if it works.
Well, how are we gonna vacuum this?
At the fucking car wash?
We're gonna drive this to the car wash?
Yeah.
Right now.
Not right now. We're not gonna fucking wash it. Damn, bro, look at all these fucking washers. Holy shit.
This is the progress so far. Man, you can put a lot in a car.
Still has a jack. Has a donut.
Hey, decent.
Look, whatever. It's more garbage. I don't want to make sure there's no drugs in here.
Because then we're fucked. Make sure James had
This
it.
is like part of the box to the amp. Okay.
Alright.
So it's all clean and we'll get back to you in a... I'm gonna record you.
Alright, we just took the mats out with the original MazdaSpeed Protege, the vacuum part, so. I don't use it just to vacuum, you get me? Because that's on.
What's on?
This, like we're gonna put the damn vacuum, you get me? You get what I'm saying or no? How do I use this to vacuum? Cause this is on, you get me? Like
No, that shit works too. Try it.
vacuum the bag a little bit on this side. Pretty sure Buddy had a cat because there's hella fur or like hair of some sort. And then, that was pretty heavy. See, a little bit cleaner. Just cleaning a little bit because we don't want to give it a full makeover after we finish the car. And I mean, this vacuum's like 15 years old. We bought gloves today. Oh yeah, we went to Harbor first. We bought a blowgun. Johnny bought goggles. Hey Johnny, this guy has a mustache. Why don't you got a mustache?
Fuck you.
Who doesn't want to focus? There we go. Wow, what a handsome fella. Bought a new light. So we're gonna work on this. We're gonna hook this up. Check this out. We got this little light and then damn. Hurry up, buddy. Any day now.
This is why you don't buy cheap glasses. You need a pair, right?
Me? I got glasses on.
Sure? A lot of shit's gonna fall. Got it?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yeah, go. It's focused.
See if that did the trick. Just pry it off. Be careful. Oh, you hear that crunch?
Yeah. Yeah, I hear you back. How's it feel to get it out?
It's alright. It's tight. It's gonna feel better when I put it back in, you know?
Very fresh. Got this sucker drying. Alright guys. Oh damn, I'm sick, sorry. I just finished the video. I just didn't end the video, but basically that day we went to a junkyard. And then took the oil pan out, the valve cover was off, we spray painted the valve cover. And then the oil pan came off. That's all we did that day, I think. But yeah, that was the first day. Oh, and we cleaned the car, obviously. We just vacuumed the driver's side of the car because the car is like, was jacked up and we can't move it right now. Oh my god, I'm dying. But it's the first video of us working the car, basically. Last video was us getting it. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe. Yeah, and turn that bell on because I'm gonna post a few more videos of this car, obviously. But good night.